move your stops up. So you can see right here, this was support and this was resistance last time. So watch for up here for a sell-off. And remember, they're going to sell early. Nobody is waiting until that moment. Just be careful. Move your stops up. A great thing to do right now is to put your stops up at least right here, because this is where it's going to want to come back. And if it pulls back below this previous body, it's going to crash and burn. If not, we should be able to hit here, stay above, rock and roll. Make sense, everybody? Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. CRKN, let's go. There it is. It's up on that resistance. Watch for this wall up here. This is a selling area. Okay, right here, if this candle drops below the body of this candle, hammer puts, and then put your stop right where I got it set. There it goes. Boom. There it is. There's your puts. And then have your stop above this level in case it bounces on you. You hear me?
Algos are running wild today, Coach.
Yep, they are right there. Boom. That should have stopped you out. That should have stopped you out. Yeah, they are. I can see it with NVIDIA. It's just crazy.
Let's see. with all the the Soxel stocks, it's just like up and down, up and down.
Yeah, this is nuts. Again, everybody, same setup. Now this stays above. Now you're in calls. Above this previous, this is calls up to VWAP. If it breaks below, kill it, puts again. Trade the trades. Matt, this is only, let me repeat this, only for master scalpers, because it's very hard and you better be able to make a move within 1 second. And if you can't think that fast, mechanics aren't on point, you just don't understand, don't touch it. Honestly, this should just be collapsing. Look, right here. SPY flipped green to red. We're below a triple bottom. This should honestly just be lights out. I see the Qs are crashing. NVIDIA's crashing. Apple's pulling back. This is going to pull hard now. SPY stays down in this level, it's gone. But here's the thing with NVIDIA, and we talked about this a little bit earlier. Look at this chop suey. Right?
I know.
Yeah, so the problem is that this is VWAP in the middle. It can't make up its mind.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just trash. I wouldn't
That's
touch
what I'm
it.
like. Yeah, I mean, I was in that zone. I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, if it breaks new lows,
Right
then
here.
that's a good sign.
Yeah, around this 939.20, if it breaks that, you're going to get a pull. See it?
Right.
Speaking of NVIDIA, earnings next week, a quick reminder, don't be buying calls with a weekly expiration. Don't write any covered calls. Straddles are your friend. Don't do anything foolish. You guys all hear me, right? Yeah, remember, if you're buying a weekly expiration, it's the most dangerous trade there is because of time expiration. You guys are going to wake up on Monday and those are going to be worthless. Don't do that.
Yeah, Coach, they're all going to trip over each other selling for the profit, and it's going to.
Yeah, and we don't know what it's going to do, right? It can turn into a circus every day next week. We have no idea. If it runs up, great. You were 50% right, but who gives a shit? Do you want to take a risk like that? I don't.